we're just getting our second chicken tractor going here. This works pretty good for keeping the grass down. It's harder to mow with the big lawnmower. So we have less brush cutting to do than lawnmower work. Put this over here. Yeah. Then we get some chickens right here. Let them enjoy the grass. This is built with a egg-laying partition, so the hens can come up and lay their eggs. We can still sell the eggs. Let the chickens get big for meat. Also some for breeding. I'll grab maybe 4 or 5 chickens for in there. The game fish are down in here, in the out the moat, and all the glory to God for giving us all this fresh meat, eggs, fish, vegetables. Look at this, growing sweet potatoes. We're growing mangosteen, grapes, broccoli. We're growing, these are cherries, European cherries from Holland. And then we got lychees, European cherry sprouts. This is a chestnut tree. And of course we got tomatoes coming up, carrots in Suriname, that's right. And beets in Suriname. Look at their fair size down here. The beets themselves. The leaves are delicious, absolutely delicious, because nobody sells them here. Nice to grow your own. This is also a apple pear. Then we got this is an apricot, and this is hot pepper. And in here, let's get some chickens here. Find the most crowded cage. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's somebody here. There's a lot of them in here. Catch them. Oh, the camera looks dirty there. I think I saw everything. Oh, that was pretty wild. try and get a raincoat on. I think we got 5 chickens here. Get down off the island over the moat. The corn's coming up okay there. A little test strip we did. It's Ronnie planted. That's Ronnie and I planted. So we got 4 in this tractor. And we'll get another 5 in this tractor. I think I have in my hand. Let them enjoy some nice fresh grass. And 2, 3, 4, 5. Kind of a strange surrounding for them. Yeah, they got lots of fresh food, which is grass. They got chicken feed, prepared food, pre-prepared food, and they got water. Plus they can even capture a bit of rain here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Enjoy your new home, guys. Chicken tractor number 2. Chicken tractor number 1. Still going strong. They're already laying in here. I didn't even see an egg, or they might have been collected this morning. Anyhow, to get the eggs, it's pretty simple. We just go to this side, lift it up, check, down, lock her down. And that's all, folks.